Hey guys, welcome back to the Girl Gone London channel. If you're new here, my name is Kaylin. I'm an American expat living in the UK. Today we are making a popular British holiday appetizer or finger food, which are sausage rolls. Okay, so sausage rolls are basically sausage wrapped in pastry, kind of like pigs in a blanket, but the sausage is not intact. It's kind of like a paste put inside the pastries. Super popular, especially around the holidays. My British husband is obsessed with sausage rolls. I'm mostly a vegetarian, so this is going to be a really interesting cooking tutorial for me because I'm gonna have to really get my hands in the sausage mix, and I'm not 100% looking forward to it, but I'm doing it in the name of love and teaching you how to make some British Christmas classics. So I am going to set you up and show you exactly what you need and exactly what we're using, and then we'll get started. Okay, so take a look at what I've got going on in terms of ingredients. I've got some sausages, I've got a beaten egg, I've got some puff pastry, some parsley, which is going to be chopped, as well as half a clove of garlic over there. I've just got a knife, a cutting board, and a food processor because that is what is going to help us create the sausage mix. So let me just go ahead and get you set up. So first I'm going to chop the garlic into tiny pieces, and I'm just going to get some salt as well, actually, to make a little bit of a paste in just a second. Get some salt and go ahead and use the flat part of your knife and just crush the garlic on your chopping board with the salt. And you'll actually make kind of a paste, so it looks like that. Now I'm going to add this into a small bowl. Next, I'm going to chop up a handful of parsley. Add that to the bowl. We're going to add 50 milliliters, which is 2 ounces, just under 1/4 of a cup of cold water to this bowl. Go ahead and mix that up. Now it's time to use my food processor, so put that aside. I'm going to open my sausages. Now, if you have regular sausage meat, you can go ahead and measure out 400 grams. I have sausages with skin on them, so I'm just going to go ahead and use about 6 sausages and take that skin off. So we've got our sausage in the food processor, and now I'm going to pour in our mixture of the water, parsley, garlic, and salt. Just like that. Close up your food processor. And we're gonna blend until smooth. Okay, so I've got my sausage mixture, and now I'm going to take my puff pastry. So this is ready rolled puff pastry, and this is 375 grams. So I'm going to open it. Unroll it. There we go. Now I'm going to cut in half lengthwise. Like that. And I'm going to take my sausage mixture, divide it into two, and spread it in the center of these rolls. Now I'm going to go ahead and roll these. Now you can use your beaten egg to brush the sides in order to keep it together a bit more. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut these so that they are little miniature sausage rolls with a knife. Now I've got this baking tray. I'm going to put my sausage rolls on. Now I want to brush more egg all over the pastry here. Okay, so I've got my sausage rolls all ready to go in the oven. They're going to go in at 200 Celsius, which is about 400 Fahrenheit, for 25 to 35 minutes, or until the pastry has actually puffed and is a little bit golden. So I will see you after they come out of the oven to show you what they look like. Okay, so I've just taken them out of the oven. It's been about 30 minutes, and I'll just show you what they look like. Aww. I did rotate them about halfway through just to try and get them to cook evenly, because our oven doesn't cook super evenly, but those are sausage rolls. Great finger foods for holiday parties, and again, a really popular British food. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, comment down below so I know you're watching, and I'll see you next time.